guys, and welcome back to another Boxycharm unboxing that is way belated. This is the October base box from last year. But hey, look at it this way. There's only like a handful of months left after this before the Ipsy merger happened. So I can only be behind for so much longer and then it'll be all caught up. Anyway, so interestingly, the card for this one is like a vertical one. And I think that's the only time I've seen this. Very small box, though, I will say that. So, we are going to reach in no particular order. And the first thing we have is from the Beauty Crop, and this is the Stuck On You Eye Primer. This is $18, and this soft and creamy eye primer makes your eyeshadow go much further. It locks in color and prevents pigments from creasing, smudging, or fading. This universal eye primer is buildable and slightly tinted, so eyeshadow pigment really pops and is held in place throughout the day. The formula is enriched with pomegranate seed and grapeseed oil to keep lids smooth and moisturized. All of which sounds fabulous. I'm gonna stick it over here in the same thing that has like 3 other primers waiting to be reviewed by me. So anyway, next, from a brand called Fleur and B, this is Eyes Baby Anti-Aging Eye Cream. This is $45. Or wait, no, I'm sorry. This is $26. I was reading from the one above it. $26. This rich eye cream will awaken your eye area by helping to firm your skin and reduce the appearance of dark circles, wrinkles, and puffiness. Well, that sounds good. So I'm going to stick that over here for now, just because I don't feel like putting it away proper. So anyway, next, this brand I have never heard of, and if you just told me the brand name, I would assume it's for a very different type of product, but it is from the Toy Factory. I know. So this is the Superset Hyaluronic Acid Setting Spray. Let's see here. This retails for $24. Your serum and setting spray are now one, and that look you just created is about to last all day, all night. Featuring hyaluronic acid to lock in your color payoff while coating your skin with a misty serum expertly formulated for all-day hydration and a dewy, soft, professional look. See, this is confusing to me, because I'm like, so is it more serum or more setting spray? Because serum you put on before the makeup, setting spray is after. How does that work? Like, just straight up, how does that work? Explain. I need an explanation. Anyway. Then, from Earth Harbor Naturals, and this is what I was accidentally reading. This is the Celestine Hydra Plumping Peptide Serum. Oh, so we have 2 serums. So this one's the $45 product, and the most expensive one in this box. Get that goddess glow by hydrating and replenishing skin with 8 juicy botanical hydrators, including 3 molecular weights of plant-based hyaluronic acid for effectively filling each layer of skin. Cool. Now I love me some hyaluronic acid. And then the last thing in here that is almost as expensive as the last one, but something I also definitely have already gotten from Boxycharm before, so what the hell, is the Natasha Denona Cupid Cheek Duo for $42. We have already looked at this, we have already reviewed this, so I'll be reselling this, but $42. The worst part, I checked on eBay, I can maybe flip it for about $12. Womp womp. Anyway, a perfect pairing of Natasha's iconic cheek formulas, this duo features a lightweight hydrating cream blush and a luminous powder highlighter in 2 shades that flatter all skin tones. Both formulas can be applied with a brush or fingertips. It's all you need for on-the-go glow. So I'll show it to you in case you haven't seen my review on that, or the other time I got it, but it looks like that. It's the one that intimidated the ever-loving shit out of me until I tried it on and then was like, oh, actually that blush barely has any pigment. I had no reason to be scared. So, anyway, that is it for my October box, of which has been sitting there patiently waiting for me to open it all this time. So anyway, you know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe, hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload, leave comments down below, make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my eBay, my Reddits, everything and more, it's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway, guys, Till next time, see ya.